we should include a plate of salad in our diet. Green leafy vegetables, green and yellow fruits, they are good for heart, they are good for the body. That should be included in the diet. Other thing about diet is that sometimes we are so engaged in our activity, like we are studying, we have to complete assignments, so we tend to starve. कि मम्मी अभी मैं खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ, या मम्मी अभी मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है क्योंकि मुझे अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करना। तो व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर स्टार्वेशन? आपने जब भूख का टाइम था, जब लंच का डिनर का टाइम था, उसको आपने स्किप कर दिया कि मुझे अपना ये वर्क कभी कंप्लीट करना है। तो सबकॉन्शियसली we avoid the food at the right time. So what will happen? Our body will be in a condition of starvation. पता क्यों नहीं चलेगा? क्योंकि माइंड एंगेज है, माइंड पढ़ाई में लगा हुआ है। अपन ने खाना छोड़ दिया, बॉडी को अपना फील कर रही है, बॉडी विल फील स्टार्वेशन एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर स्टार्वेशन we will do the overeating. If you miss a meal at the correct time, then your body will be in the stage of starvation, and when you will take a meal, you will do the overeating. So both are bad. Starvation is also bad and overeating is bad. So try to take a meal at the correct time so that we can avoid this overeating thing. And one more thing I would like to tell is we should have our eating habits like a nibbler instead of being a foodie. Nibbler कैसा होता है? Nibbler means like a mouse. क्या करता है माउस? क्या करता है माउस? पूर्वा, अग्रवाल, मानस।
पूर्वा and Manas bites.
So it bites or वो कुतरता है.
Yes.
And it is not.
Yes.
Sir, it is not taking more than it can chew.
Yeah.
माउस निब्लर होता है, वो कुतरता है. That means as per his body, he takes very small bite at a multiple time. So when we are planning our meals, try to take multiple meals instead of a single large meal. अपना फूड एक साथ इकट्ठा करके बहुत सारा जल्दी खा लिया, उससे बेटर है कि उसको पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लिया. प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट, प्रॉपर लंच, आफ्टरनून स्नैक्स एंड देन डिनर. So that helps our body. अपनी बॉडी देखिए, we don't know what is happening inside our body. Like a machine, अपनी बॉडी में मशीन्स लगी हुई हैं. डाइजेशन की मशीन है, हार्ट में ब्लड को पंपिंग की मशीन्स हैं, यूरिन बनाने के लिए किडनी की मशीन्स हैं. तो व्हेन भी बहुत सारा अगर रॉ मटेरियल मशीन में अपन डाल देंगे तो मशीन बिगड़ जाएगी. अगर उस मशीन को ठीक से चलाना है तो उसको टाइम देना रहेगा. इन दिस वे digestive system, when we give the input of food at a regular intervals, our digestive system will work in a good condition. If we give large input, so later on that system will get fatigued. That's why we should take small meals at frequent intervals instead of taking large meals. Okay. Then one more thing, yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation also helps in making ourselves fit. So exercise is also important, meditation, yoga is also important. Those who do good yoga and good meditation, they also become fit from inside. So in a nutshell, I have tried to sum up few things that helps in making yourself fit. So now I am coming to the what are the advantages of being fit. You all know what are the advantages of being fit. Again, I am giving you some points. If you become fit, what are the advantages? First is weight control. If you follow proper steps to be fit, you will not become overweight. So overweight and underweight, both are bad. Both are types of malnutrition. Being obese is also a malnutrition. Being very thin is also a malnutrition. So if you have a good diet, good exercise, good habits, you will be. Vanchita Agrawal, she want to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask that as you told us that being underweight is also not good and being overweight is also not good. So, sir, is there any ratio of weight for us children that it should be for 10 to 12 children, it should be this way?
Yes. Very good question. You want to know about what is the ideal weight for ideal age. Yes, I'm right. Vanchita? So,
Yes, sir.
in our medical thing, we have decided, we have made a table of good weight for the age wise, but that depends on your height also. Every person has different height, so we used to calculate BMR depending on the height and weight, and then as per the height, we advise the person or children to maintain so much weight. Suppose at the age you are, I think you all are